Made it up the hill. Almost took a break so somebody left a nice fucking foldable chair up there, but here we are at the top of the hill. We got a little better sized shrooms there. Still very small. But hey, at least they're in the woods around here now. I mean, as far as that goes. Let's see what we got for a ground temp. It's too bad they aren't fruiting more per tree. I found 4 trees now making morels. I mean, very young shroom. Perfect quality yet. Yeah, I've been finding out that most of them are where I'm finding them actually is in the coldest ground. So makes me think, move north.